Alright, so this is our Chapter 21 video review by Lindsay, Brittany, and EJ.
The first point we'll be addressing is what is a distribution pattern. A distribution pattern is the way that organisms are distributed in geographic space, and it also depends on the resources and interactions with other members within the population. Distribution pattern reflects behavioral and ecological adaptation. There's uniform distribution, which is when individuals keep apart from one another at regular distances, and they usually do this because of some kind of territorial behavior. Another type of distribution is random distribution, and this kind of distribution allows individuals to increase their access to resources. An example of this would be pine trees. The last kind of distribution is called clump distribution. Clump. And this is when resources are unevenly distributed across landscape, or when social behavior dictates grouping. And clump distribution is an advantage because it can lead to things such as certain organisms grouping up together.
Explain how all the vocabs, so the growth rate and logic growth and exponential growth rate are related to how the population increases and decreases. Immigration shows us how many people are coming in a Pacific large area, while immigration counts on the people leaving the Pacific large area. And the habitat is how the animals are adapted to its environment will determine its growth rate, logic growth, and exponential growth. And in general, all of these vocabs are related to population size.
So, again, immigration is the movement of individuals into a population, and emigration is the movement of individuals out of a population. Both of these are contributors to population growth. An example of immigration is people from Europe immigrated to California, so basically that's saying that they moved into California. And an example of emigration is people from Paris emigrated to New York, so that's basically saying that people from Paris moved out to New York.
And finally, the relationship between the wolf, moose, and tree populations to a specific region. All populations are impacted by one another, and so as the predator population decreases, the prey will increase. And so when the wolf population increases, the moose population will decrease. And since the moose diet focuses on tree consumption, the trees will also increase as the moose population falls. It will rise. And finally, each population will only see a steady growth rate as another falls due to no immigration and or immigration from the island. And that was Chapter 21 video review.